Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu on 15th October 1931. He is called Missile Man of India for his contribution to the works of Indian Missile Program. He was awarded with Padma Bhushan, Vibhushan and Bharat Ratna. Through his hard work, he became the President of India. He has written many books like Wings of Fire, India 2020 and Lignated Mindset.
Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was born in Tiruchi, Tamil Nadu